Greetings, I'm Reem, and now I'll introduce you Fujairah International Airport. MRO, maintenance, repair overhaul, leasing of maintenance and repair space can be costly. Fujairah International Airport has built its reputation on the availability of space and excellent service to aircraft maintenance, repair and overhaul companies. We provide multiple types of space availability and facilities to accommodate the needs of your operation. With a smoother startup and transition process, you can bring your tools, equipment, and materials to the airport with greater ease and less complication. We are excited about our achievements as the best airport on the east coast of the UAE. The airport expansion project on the south side of the airport is creating additional space and facilities for your business to establish, grow, and flourish. The expansion includes additional taxiway, ramp space, and an option for clients to construct larger facilities. We hope to see you again soon and safely. This concludes our conversation.